Hello friends. So to change your contact photo to full screen when someone calls you, firstly you want to launch Contacts app on your iPhone. Now search for the contact you want to change photo for. Let's select this random contact and change the contact photo. Now tap Edit on the top right corner. Now hit Add Photo. Now here you have auto suggestions. You can select any contact photo from these photos. Another option is you can select any Animoji from these available options, or you can create your own Animoji. I personally love using Animoji for contact photo, but for the purpose of this tutorial, we will select photo from photo gallery. So let's tap on this all photos. Now select your favorite photo from your photo gallery. Now you can zoom in, zoom out, move and update this photo. And then hit choose. Now you can select any random photo filter and make your photo look much better. Now hit done on the top right corner. And hit done again to close the editing. That's all. You have successfully changed the contact photo for your contact. Now when someone calls, you'll see a full screen contact photo. Try adding full screen contact photo for your family and friends. Try with Animojis. It looks beautiful. Hope you guys found this video useful. I am Vikas signing off for the day. I'll see you guys in the next one.